guys! It's your girl, Rosa na naman. And for today's video ay turo ko sa inyo yung lagi ng bini. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, is-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is iangat nyo yung inyong right leg, then down. Then, step yung inyong left leg dito sa left side, then angat. Okay? So, angat, down, left, angat, then down yung inyong left leg. Then, yung right leg naman is papunta dito sa right side, then angat, then down. Okay? So, angat, down, left, angat, down, right, angat, down. Okay? So, 8 counts yung step nung sa paa. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo naman is 1, 2, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, una is, i-bend nyo yung inyong kamay or i-close nyo. Okay? So, hindi siya actually close. So, medyo half lang ganyan. Okay? So, 1, 2, then cross, open. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is, iaangat nyo or ipupunta nyo sa taas yung palad nyo. Then, tak, tak. Then, close yung kamay. Then, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ikot, then close, baba. Okay? So, isasabay natin yung paa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg dito sa right side, pero medyo naka-slant kayo or nakapaharap kayo dito sa left side. Okay? So, cross yung inyong kamay, then open. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo is naka-close and nakaangat or nasa taas yung harap nung kamay nyo. Okay? So, nakaganyan siya. Okay? So, cross, then angat dito sa taas ng head nyo or pwede dito sa side, then bend up. Okay? So, yung butt nyo, papunta dito sa left side, then right, up. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, cross, up, bend, up. Okay? So, after nyan is, shake nyo lang yung kamay nyo ng 4 counts. Okay? So, pababa siya. So, yung unang galaw ng hips nyo and ng leg nyo or paa nyo is dito sa right side. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, right, left, right, left. So, kasabay yung kamay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kagaya lang siya sa part 1. So, countings na lang tayo dito. Okay? So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step is kagaya siya nung move sa part 2. So, yung last 4 counts is yun yung maiiba. So, countings muna tayo sa first 4 counts. Okay? So, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan, open nyo yung kamay nyo. Then, down lang yan pa ganyan. Okay? So, iwa-wide nyo ganyan yung inyong kamay. Then, ikot. Then, baba. Okay? So, yung inyong hips naman is una dito pa rin sa right side. Okay? So, cross, up, bend. Up, then down, 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 down. So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step is iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg dito sa right side. So, medyo nakaslant siyang ganyan. 1, okay, so yung kamay nyo is galing dito sa baba, then paangat, then close, then open, balikot. Okay? So, slide, up, then balik yung inyong right leg dito sa center, then yung inyong kamay bubelo naman, parang open pa ganyan. Okay? So, yung inyong left leg is sa circle siyang pa ganon. Okay? So, yung left leg, circle, paharap, then palikod. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan, hakbang nyo yung inyong left leg dito sa likod. Then, okay. So, parang tatalon kayo sa part na to. Okay? So, left, right. Okay? So, pagka right, yung inyong ulo is medyo haharap na dito or medyo palikod siya. Okay? So, up, open, step, top. Okay? So, yung inyong kamay is nakalagay dito sa harap and yung inyong left hand is dito sa likod. Okay? So, left, right, then after nyan, ikot kayo, then yung inyong left hand is ilalagay nyo dito sa chest and nakaganto siya. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is, di ba, nakaharap na tayo dito sa right side. So, yung inyong left hand is nakalagay sa chest and yung inyong ulo is iikot siya from left to right. Okay? So, left to right. Okay? So, 1, 2, then after nyan is lalagay nyo yung inyong kamay dito. So, nakakross na siyang ganyan. Okay? So, ikot, cross. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, yung inyong kamay is i-slide nyo lang siya dito sa shoulder nyo. Okay? So, open nyo siyang pa ganyan. Then, yung inyong right hand, ikot siya dito sa taas ng head nyo. Okay? So, right, then left, then straight ulit yung kamay. Okay? So, right, left, straight, down. Okay? So, medyo parang magpo-forward kayo sa part nung tak, tak, tak. Okay, so pagka ganun, medyo forward, then down. Okay, medyo babak kayo doon. Okay, so countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Naka-cross na paganto yung inyong legs or medyo straight siya. So, yung inyong right leg is ihakbang nyo siya dito sa harap. So, magkapalit na sila ng position ng inyong legs and cross, open, up, down. Okay, so yung inyong legs naman or hip is pag yung inyong right hip yung gagalaw is angat siya, angat, down, then tak, balik. Okay? So, 1, 2, okay? So, right, down, then step, balik. Okay? So, tak, step, balik. Okay? So, next step naman is itong left hip nyo yung gagalaw. Okay? So, iakbang nyo naman yung inyong left foot sa harap. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, angat yung hip, down, angat, down, then step, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is, di ba naka-close na yung inyong legs or feet. Okay? So, yung inyong kamay is cross pa rin, then open, up, down. So, ang pinagkaiba lang is yung hip nyo lang yung gagalaw. So, left, right, left, right. Okay? So, yung hip, left, right, left, right. So, yung kamay nyo, cross, open, up, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is ituturo nyo yung inyong kamay dito sa side ng head nyo. And yung inyong left hand is nandito sa baba ng chest nyo. Okay? So, hakbang lang kayo patas. 1, 2, 3. Then, lagay yung kamay nyo dito sa chest. Then, ikot from left to right. Okay? So, palikod siya. Left to right. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8.
Lagi, 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 lagi.
So, that's it for today's video. Kung natunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!